Hello and welcome to another one of my videos. This one is gonna be a quick video. I hope so. I hope it's like 10 minutes or so. So right here I'm using a Themify builder. Update now. You can purchase a Themify builder theme, Themify.me. I use a lot of Themify builder because they did a great job doing this. So I have to give them credit and a shout out to them. They're really good. So if you need a web hosting services, come to my website sjmwebhosting.com. Click web hosting platform. Here you can log in, register, affiliate login. Web hosting platform is the section where you can register your domain name. You can see if it's available or not, or you can also transfer any domain names to this website sjmwebhosting.com. You can order hosting. You can see right here which one you like the best. Monthly payments. You will have a lot of different options for you. You can also hire us to create your website. We are website designers, webmasters, so we're always available here for you. Right now we're working on a new website for one of my friends. He is in Fort Washington, Maryland. We're doing hauling and junk removal website. So his website is kind of a long name, domain name. It's Fort Washington Hauling Junk Removal.com. This name right here is going to help him with SEO, search engine optimization. These are just really good keywords for his services, and products. So it's going to help him a lot. You need to brainstorm the best domain name if it's available to register for your business. So right here, right now, we're just gonna do a couple of things. We have a coming soon page, and we're gonna use a theme. We're gonna use this design theme created by Themify. So I'm gonna edit, customize this theme, change the menus, colors, everything, different images, videos, whatever, and that's what we're gonna use. So right now I have a coming soon page that I would like to edit. I would like to edit that page. So we have this coming soon page, and I would like to edit right now because I haven't even started the design yet, the design phase. So we want to put his phone number. We want to put we just want to put maybe his logo here. I'm gonna put his logo here. So I'm gonna change some of this page, just to help him out, so people can see his information. So right here I'm gonna put his phone number. On the bottom I'm gonna create a row. So right here we can drag a new block here. We're gonna do text. This is another drag and drop builder, but this is not from Themify. This is from this plugin that I'm using. So right here I'm just gonna put this information. This information right here. He sent this information to me like this. So I guess that's how I'm gonna leave it right now, because I don't want to be editing this information here, because that's how he sent it. I'm just gonna put a little bit bold for now, and I'm gonna put the logo there. I'm gonna put save. We're gonna go put Fort Washington here, hauling. We're gonna put Fort Washington. That's Fort Washington. And then I'm going to I'm gonna put here hauling and junk removal. Hauling and junk removal. For now, I just want to put his information and maybe a little bit of some text. So here we have this text. We should have a lot of different text here, a different heading. This is a headline. So I'm just gonna copy this one, duplicate block, and then I'm gonna remove this one and put this one here, because this one looks a lot better. So color same, text, shadow, spacing, attributes. Let's see if there's another different font size. No, we're gonna do an H2. I don't know why it didn't work. It didn't work because we have this here. and we'll put it in the middle, and we're gonna put this one in the middle too. So they have a little customization here, as you can see. So this one we're gonna do a little bit smaller, like that. We put save, and we're gonna put a hole and junk removal. This one's really bad. Maybe I can just remove this one. Maybe I just put it there. 1 second. Maybe I put it here. Oh my god. No, I don't have time for that right now. I'm sorry. So let's go. Let's put it right there. As you can hear some birds right here. There's birds in. Oh, we got cicadas too. Wow. So we just saved. Cicadas are here. This is the first day that I'm, hearing these cicadas. So we got them right there, I guess. So right now I have uploaded the logo that I created for him. So right now we're just gonna leave the logo here, and we're gonna remove this one because this one is not relevant to this business. So our service location, okay. And now I'm just gonna put his phone number here in the I'm going to do another of that. Copy and duplicate. We're gonna save it. I'm gonna do the phone number. See if I can drop it here. Drag and drop. So I'm gonna put the phone number there. Service location. Service location should be like in here on this one. And I'm gonna do his phone number there. I'm gonna look for his number and I'm gonna put it there, and then I'm gonna create a new email. I'm gonna create an email for him. So I'm gonna add one of this one, duplicate this one, and then I'm gonna drag this one here, and I'm gonna create an info at. I'm gonna have to copy this because this is really long. So info at that. I'm gonna create that. I'm gonna create that one soon, and that's gonna be a separate video. There's gonna be a separate video how to create an email on our server system on the cPanel. So I'm gonna put his information here, his phone number. So I'll come back soon on that one, and I'm gonna edit this one to make it look a little bit better. I think. Yeah, I'm gonna have to edit because I don't like that how it looks. It's gonna take some time, so I'll be back on the video. So that's how you edit this stuff. I'm gonna come back and do this because I don't want you to be wasting time here and doing this, but that's how you do it. I think you do it here too. So you can do it here. You can do it on the this, and I'm gonna edit this information because I'm gonna leave this information on a footer template, so on all of the pages is gonna show. So I'm gonna do that pretty soon. So I'll be back soon. So I'm back. So I have this this link right here. The way to do a link, telephone link, you got to do this telephone, then put that right there, and then you copy and paste that phone number. Sorry you can't see it here that good, so I hope you can see it. The color is just really bad, the visibility of the font. So that's how you do it, and then you press that, and then it makes a it makes a clickable text, a telephone number. So when you come over here, you're just gonna click it. So now this looks good. I'm not liking how it's looking, so I'm just gonna put this information there. I'm gonna put this information here. Then let me see, maybe in the middle here, but let's see if we can bring it, but I don't think we can bring it. With image size, link, template, advanced, image border, spacing, attributes. Let me see what they have here. Spacing, margin. Yeah, margin. You put it in the middle here. because I'm not liking that over there. So I like it right here, so put save. And our service location is not looking great, so we just see if I can put it in the middle, and then maybe we can put it the font size a little bit larger, service location, and we just leave it like that. And for now, we'll just leave it like this, and this is pretty cool for him. And I'm gonna create this email. For him right now, but that's gonna be a separate video. But that video is going to be edited. It's gonna be like a really important video, but it's gonna be like restricted some sections. So I hope you like this video. Come to sjnwebhosting.com. It was pretty cool doing this. We have a lot of different services. We got deals, we got SEO, we got everything here. We are digital. That's what we do. And I want to share to you that we created this video for the same. He's my friend. He's a customer, but he's my friend. So I created this video for him. Oh, I'm sorry. I created this website for him right here, and he's doing online. I did a book online. I did interactive form for him, and you picking the services right here, and this goes on and on and on, and then he sends a PDF to him when someone orders for him. And contact form right there, we put this, Fort Washington is here, so he's doing all his services here. And you can do a larger map, whatever. And then as you can see, we did this too. That's what I did over there. So we just press save, and we can just remove. We can go from that. People will see only that page on the website because it's not ready, but me here, I can see the entire page. I'm gonna create a nice website for him using this template, but I'm going to edit, customize it for his needs, for his services, like this one. See, this one I created just for him, custom made for him. So we got services there. We got about us. You got an about us, pretty cool. And articles, that's a blog. You need to put more articles here, I guess. The automated quote form, get started, and then the contact page for him, and then the phone number is right there. You can click it and call him. So he does make cleaning in Washington DC, Alexandria, and just go and look his and see his map right here. The service is Alexandria, Arlington, everywhere there, PG County. So he does it all around here, this radius here. So the junk removal is gonna be that radius too. So yeah, this is the dashboard. Hire me to do a website for you, a powerful website, or you can also do it for yourself. Or you can hire your own webmaster, but come in here at sjnwebhosting.com and get in the game right here with us. Get on a journey with our website design services, web hosting, domain name registration, SSL certificates, SEO. We got a lot of different things here, as you can see. We go to the home page and you can look for your domain name, and sometimes we got over here announcements. You can see all the announcements there. Some announcements there, they're kind of old, but we're gonna be putting new announcements soon and everything. We're gonna put some deals over here too. So if you see some deals, you can save a lot more money with us. So thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy my video.